Yo, I just found like this crazy good arrow. You gotta see this. Dude, that's so OP. I love it. It's OP. It instant kills. I love it. Some of the problems with this is that, very aggressive. Uses a lot of, wait, does it use a lot of, it does not even use, this thing is OP. It doesn't even use a lot of stamina. It's best weapon ever. Best arrow ever. Dude, there's no way somebody can beat this. It's crazy. Very, very crazy. Like, you're not beating this if you see this coming at you. Dude, it's launching legs. Dude, it's just the bombs. It's just a bomb. Dude, it refilled my entire stamina bar. This thing does not use that much stamina. OP doesn't even use that much stamina. Never seen a weapon do that. Not in any game. Well, if I can hit my shots, maybe it's OP. Dude. Too good, too good. Yo, you do a little dance down there, too. I like the screen shaking, it's funny. And arrows coming down. Oh no, he knocked my helmet off. How did I knock my helmet off? What? I just slid it across their heads. Terror. Torture. I love torture. She ran it across the top of him. Torture. Oh my god. I'm waiting for the computer to explode. Yo. I just wait till this computer like explodes. Yo, this makes it more OP. Ouch. It hurts me back. That hurts me too. Shoot. High speed. Attack. What? Shoot. Oh, perfect for the boss. Oh, it doesn't do that much. Oh, yes it does. Holy crap. Ow! How did that hit? Ouch. He knocked that back at me. Okay, so there's some downsides to this arrow. If it comes back at you, it blows you up instead. That's crazy. I don't like this arrow too much anymore. That's the only reason I'm almost dead. I mean, it is also my fault. I'm being reckless with it. Shoot. Oh, I do got another one. Another new one. What does it do? What is that? It's called a sparkler. It's called a sparkler. I don't know. Okay, that doesn't show me. Oh, it does damage over time. Okay. Just like this one. Wow. Oh, it's raining outside. Holy crap. Still, that's a pretty dang